Hi, I'm James. I'm one of the workshop conveners in the Regional Organising Committee for Brisbane ASM 2024.
I'm Michelle Daly. I'm also one of the workshop co-conveners in the ASM 2024, and I am looking forward to the CICO workshop myself.
Can you tell me more about that?
Well, yes I can. We have hopefully got the largest CICO workshop than ever's happened. So we should be getting through about 80 participants per session, with 4 sessions during the day. It's been a bit of an organising, especially with Dr. Linda Beckman, who has been amazing helping us organise that, and lots of volunteers from all around the state.
So many.
That's from the major hospitals and a few interstate now, which is great.
Which is absolutely fantastic. I mean, the informal feedback that I've had from previous meetings is that everyone wants to sign up and do workshops and get CPD points, and they just can't get in.
Yeah.
So we're really working hard to smash that problem and almost get 30% of ASM delegates through a CICO workshop if they want, and that'll tick off their CPD emergency response for the whole year. Job done.
Yeah. That with the cardiac arrest workshops, the anaphylaxis workshops, the cultural safety should be able to get the emergency responses somewhere up around just slightly less than 2,000 people getting through those workshops.
Excellent.
In this one.
So 2,000 people. Sounds like everyone should have a pretty good opportunity to at least get some sort of CPD points and get some workshops done on the Friday.
Get something signed off at least.
I'm particularly looking forward to the use of technology that's happening this year in line with our Limitless theme. We've got an eye workshop that is sort of world first 3D printed models, incorporating those plus some virtual reality to give delegates a completely hands-on, exciting eye block workshop.
I'd love to do the virtual reality one.
Well, hopefully we can break away from our duties and sneak in, or at least peer through the door.
The veterinary one would be interesting as well.
Yeah, so we have that veterinary workshop that's happening out at one of our vet schools in conjunction with the University of Queensland.
Yes.
And participants will be bussed out and see some large animal anaesthetics, so cows, horses, and who knows what else. Whales, throw it out there. We'll see. May or may not be whales.
That may or may not be true.
Look, once you've had a heavy day of workshops on the Friday, there'll be a few other exciting workshops that are maybe slightly less scientific. So particularly looking forward to the Arte L'Art workshop that may be running on Friday, Saturday, and potentially other days. So come along and try your hand at throwing a bit of art on top of your latte.
Are we still doing the yoga one as well?
Yes. What's the twist with the yoga one though?
The yoga with animals?
With animals, yes. Not the same animals as the large veterinary workshop though. But goats and puppies I think we've got.
I think we've got goats and puppies.
Goat yoga. Come and join us. There may be a gin making workshop in the pipeline, so come along to the Brisbane Gin Distillery and make your very own gin, perfectly tailored for your tastes.
Sounds I'm in. I'm in for that one.
And then you can have a little gin down by the brown snake.